Hey guys, it's Mike from Left to Wander. Got a new sleep pad from Trekology. It's called the UL140. It is 30 inches by 73 and 4.9 inches thick. It's got a built-in inflator, which is pretty cool. And it's made out of a 40D nylon. Thanks, Mr. Raven. Thank you. That's the Raven that's sitting up here watching. Okay guys, here's the built-in inflator. You pull this and it inflates. Now, what you got to do is you got to pump this thing. It's supposed to be a foot pump, but it's hard to get yourself inside the tent and pump this thing. So now I'm going to pump it by hand. Here's mine, all set up. It's got a built-in pillow. It's 5 inches thick. It's actually 4.9. And it's got an R value of 5. This will be the first night on it. Alright guys, that was our first night sleep on the Trekology UL140. Nice. You could definitely feel the R value increase over the UL180, which I normally use. This has a 5, and the other one has a 2. And we both sleep with the Aluft Deluxe pillows. Don't really need it. The pillows are built in, but we use them anyways. It was nice. It was a nice sleep. Stayed inflated, and definitely be using with our car camping setup.